Tititit. Titititit. Excuse me. Aling maliit. Peanut. Ay.
Good morning. Wow. Very good.
Ano ba yung kainis?
That's Papa Arlie.
Sino yan? Oh, Mama, buntis pa yun. Wala ka po. Si Mama, si Papa. Yan. Hindi kayo buntis. Eh? I love you. Say good morning po.
Bye, Papa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Peanut. I will be back. Babalik ako, Peanut, kasi kahit si mama mo kinakabahan. Ganda-ganda naman ang anak mo. I love you. Bye, Peanut.
A few moments later.
Ang aming birthday boy.
May sugat. Dahil sa balloon, hindi na may hinto yung dugo. Umuwi natin. To sleep na lang ako. Pampam. Pampam.
Nakabalik na si How How from his dive and unfortunately, nasugatan siya. Sayang kasi ang tagal na rin niyang hindi nakapag-dive. 2 to 3 years. Tapos, nung nag-deploy siya ng balloon niya, ayun, nasama ang kanyang daliri. Kaya rest siya. Sayang, kasi sobrang love na love niya ang diving. Actually, ako rin. Tagal ko na rin hindi nagda-dive. So, siguro next time. And yun nga, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Vivere Azur, Miss Belle, and the whole team. Thank you so much for taking care of us and for giving us the opportunity to celebrate How How's birthday this weekend. April 20 po today. So, sasalubungin namin ang birthday niya mamaya dito sa Vivere Azur. And sobrang cute ng room. Natuwa ako. Ang tawag sa room namin ay Sapphire and Cobalt room. Actually, before, magkahiwalay sila. Tapos ngayon, naging 2-bedroom suite na siya. So, gusto ko yung magpasalamat talaga kasi pagbigyan yung request ko na magkasama talaga kaming lahat sa isang room. Unfortunately, medyo magulo na yung room namin kaya hindi ko kayo mabibigyan ng room tour. Kaya Vivere Azur team, pasok! Ito na ang kanilang walkthrough room tour ng aming magandang room. Kiss Papa nga from morning na.
Good morning. Kiss, Papa. Oh, sus. Oh. Sus, ay sus. Excuse me.
Gotcha!
Excuse me. Little Manzano. Ay sus. Mrs. Manzano. Little Manzano.
What does the bird say? Tweet, tweet! Mama. Yes? I saw. Can you see your pretty eyes? Salmon and mashed potatoes, nachos,
Gambas.
gambas, sarap yan.
Tenenenet. Ang cute. Ay sus. Ay sus naman. Wearing a hat pa the little Peanut. Don't.
Hey, where are you going? Update po mga kaibigan. Ayaw pang matulog na. Baby na. Mama?
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Papa.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Kinilig siya. How do you dance?
Dance. Dance. Dance, dance, dance.
The baby? That's the baby?
Jesus, your first Anilao sunset.
Baby.
Baby, where?
There's no baby, my love. Where's the baby? Ah, you're the baby. Jesus naman.
It's your favorite oat cereal. There's a
Ah.
baby crying outside.
Baby ba yun na pusa?
Baby.
Baby. Mas alam mo pa sa akin, di ba sa baby pala?
Baby?
Oh, crying din daw siya, baby.
Ay, sus.
Where's the baby?
Peanut!
Sit properly.
Mama.
That's it, Mama. That's a baby. Get back up and make your mark. Where's the baby, dude? Here, baby. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Oh, so... Oh, you kiss Papa first. Kiss Papa. It's Papa's birthday.
Kiss Papa. Kiss Papa. Ay, ang sweet mo talaga.
How do you blow the candles? Oh, like that? Oh, like that. Okay. Thank you so much, Vivere Azur. At ang kanyang birthday cake ay naubos na. Thank you. Later, you eat your breakfast first. Say good morning, Anilao. Good morning, Dagat. Come. We will play there. Okay? Oh, naka-outfit ka na. Okay? You want to go na? Morning, everybody. So, hi to my vlog. Mwah. Ang lamig. Yum, yum.
Peanut. You. Dumikikulit.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa.
Isuga.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Isuga.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Thank you, Wow Wow. Thank you, Peanut. Thank you, Ate Gina. Thank you, Ate Memem. Sa lahat ng kasama natin. Vivere, thank you very much, Vivere sa Anilao. May Vivere din sa Alabang. And Miss Belle, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. kina Karing at sa iyong pamilya na nagpadala ng puto at saka suman kanina. Thank you na bagong gawa
Pakita
talaga.
natin.
Thank you very much,
you,
Mami and
Mami and
Daddy.
Daddy.
Dong, kasi Escondida, na kahit hindi kami dyan nakastay, nagpadala pa rin. Diba? Iba-iba sila. At syempre kay Karing at sa iyong pamilya.
Ibig sabihin nun, marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Huwag ka maiyak, huy. Uy! Huwag ganon!
Tatae ako.
Ano ba yan? Thank you, thank you.
Sa lahat na nag-message, nag-text, nag-post, lahat-lahat, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Pero mas maganda kung mag-send kayo sa Palawan page.
Ayan, ang cake nila Mommy and Day and nila Dong. Thank you.
Thank you, and we will see you soon. Dahil matagal-tagal akong di nag-dive at magbabalik loob ako sa diving. Kung saan, syempre, isa sa mga hindi nawawala na pagsustayan namin ay ang Casa Escondida din dahil pamilya natin yan. Pang! Papa. Mama. Papa. 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 Kiss Papa? Show everyone you kiss Papa na. Ano sa akin? Ulo ko. Mwah! I love you. Pina.
I see the light shining on the stage. This is what I imagine every day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
May surprise si Mama.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Oh, Papa will blow the cake. Yay! May heart pa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, blow the candle na.
Blow, blow, blow. 1, 2.
Yay! Say thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Ay, sus, natulala ang baby. Ready ka na ba?
Oo, pero ang kinakabahan ako,
Dahil...
ang usap-usapan sa luwag tayo pupunta, matagal-tagal yun.
Eh di matulog ka na lang.
Diretso ko na.
Excited siya. Gisingin na lang kita pag nandun na tayo. Mga an hour yung biyahe.
Tama ba yung narinig ko si Celine Dion nandyan sa party?
Hindi.
Wala siya.
Si Dua Lipa, tsaka si Taylor Swift.
Okay. Pero hindi kami okay ni Taylor Swift ngayon dahil hindi ako nakanood sa Singapore. So nagtampo siya ng konti. So, stay
Okay.
Nakaliwa na tayo. Pwede ko naman tanggalin?
Okay. Yun na.
Scary feeling. Where do I go?
Oh, sundan mo lang ako. Saan tayo?
Flat lang ba to? Flat lang? Walang steps?
Diretso lang tayo. Diretso lang. Diretso lang. Aha.
Nasa Banawi ba tayo, Rice Terraces?
Nine. Okay lang yan.
Thank you,
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreaming.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat for being here. Thank you sa barkada po. Thank you sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa likod at harap ng camera. At a special mention kay Anna bumabawi dahil hindi ako binati nung aking birthday kaya gumawa ng paraan. Pero sigurado akong tatakas ng maaga yan. But thank you very much everyone. Maraming salamat. And of course, my how-how na blindfold ako mula bahay hanggang dito. Ang hirap pala, na-stress din ako ng oras. But thank you very much. I love you.
We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me.
Birthday boy.
You can beat the man I adore. You don't seem to know. You're already, I'm already
I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us.
Just to announce, 9:30 po may taping pa kami ng I Can See bukas. So hanggang 9:30 lang po tayo ngayong gabi. Thank you very much. Thank you.